Rajkumar Anand had announced his resignation as Delhi Cabinet Minister and Patel Nagar MLA yesterday. He has resigned from the primary memberships of Aam Aadmi Party as well. Delhi Assembly Speaker's office says we have not received the resignation of Rajkumar Anand as MLA, though no resignation of Patel Nagar MLA has been sent to the Delhi Assembly Speaker's office yet. Rajkumar Anand had announced his resignation as Delhi Cabinet Minister and Patel Nagar MLA yesterday. Remember, he resigned also from the primary membership of the Aam Aadmi Party, but now the Delhi Assembly Speaker's office says that they have not received any resignation from the Patel Nagar MLA's office. Yesterday, Rajkumar Anand had resigned, citing the fact that Aam Aadmi Party had basically risen on an anti-corruption agenda, and the way the party was embroiled in alleged corruption right now is something that did not sit very well with him. Let's listen in to Rajkumar Anand.
राजकुमार जी, मेरे साथ बातचीत करने के लिए सबसे पहले आपने इस्तीफा क्यों दिया?
मैंने आपको बताया अपने इस्तीफे में, उसकी बजाय बताई कि किस तरह से मैं अपने आप को भारू महसूस कर रहा था। जैसे अभी एक पत्रकार महोदय ने पूछा कि अभी मीटिंग हुई थी, आम आदमी पार्टी की एक बड़ी मीटिंग हुई थी, उसमें क्या हुआ, आप गए या नहीं गए? नहीं गए। तो इस तरह से बहुत सारी वजहें जिसकी वजह से छोड़ी गई।
राजकुमार जी, आपने मंत्री पद से इस्तीफा दिया है और क्या आप कोई पार्टी ज्वाइन करना चाह रहे हैं?
नहीं, मैं कोई पार्टी नहीं ज्वाइन करना चाहता। मैं डॉक्टर बाबा साहेब अम्बेडकर के पे बैक टू सोसाइटी वाले रीजन की वजह से राजनीति में आया था। मेरा ना कोई पैसा कमाना यहाँ कोई रीजन है, ना नाम कमाना रीजन है। पे बैक टू सोसाइटी हम लोग छोटे लेवल पे, बड़े लेवल पे करते रहते हैं। आप सबको भी करनी चाहिए अपनी अपनी सोसाइटी में।
My colleague Amit Bhardwaj is now joining us live on this. Amit, what is the Speaker's office saying? Because Rajkumar Anand yesterday claimed that he's resigned as Delhi Minister, as Patel Nagar MLA, and from the primary membership of the Aam Aadmi Party.
True, Paulami, that's what Rajkumar Anand has claimed. That he has not only resigned as the cabinet minister in the national capital, but has also resigned as Aam Aadmi Party MLA from Patel Nagar and also the primary membership of the party. But now we are learning from Delhi Assembly Speaker's office that the resignation of Rajkumar Anand has not reached the Speaker's office. The Speaker's office, Delhi Assembly Speaker's office, is saying that no resignation of the Aam Aadmi Party Patel Nagar MLA has been sent to them yet, which means that they have not been communicated about this particular development yet, and it is only after the acceptance of that particular resignation by the Speaker's Assembly that seat will fall vacant, and the process of by poll will begin from therein. As well as if you speak of the resignation as the cabinet minister, that resignation has to be routed to the chief minister of the national capital, that is Arvind Kejriwal, who is behind the bars right now in Tihar jail. So we'll have to see as to whether, as and when that resignation reaches Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal. But as far as the MLA-ship is concerned, his resignation is yet to reach Delhi Assembly Speaker office, and after which the formal process will begin. So that's where the facts remain right now. And the other aspect is, Paulami, as to what call will Arvind Kejriwal take if the resignation reaches him, and whether if he accepts, how will he send out that resignation to the resignation to the Lieutenant Governor? That's another constitutional question. And thereafter, whether he will be able to appoint the new cabinet minister in the Delhi from the Tihar jail itself. All these constitutional questions remain.
Absolutely. That constitutional question definitely remains. It remains to be seen how the Aam Aadmi Party tackles it. Amit Bhardwaj there tracking all those developments. But stay on with us, Amit.